Another company that has machines available from stock. Another company that has machines available from stock, some of which on special offer, include Dugard. Now I'm here at ENS Precision. They had this Dugard HD 1886B machining centre installed here some months ago. They've been very, very impressed with this machine. In fact, if you go onto our channel or onto the MTD CNC website, you'll see an interview I did with Joshua on this machine, the operator. Now this they class is the best machining centre they have here in this workshop. It's heavy duty, it's robust, and they're machining some pretty challenging components here. Now, not just this machine that Dugard have available from stock in Hove, you can also visit their showroom where they've got their entry-level vertical machining centres, their Kitamura 5-axis machines also available from stock, plus some SMEC turning centres. If you can get to Hove, there's plenty of machines there to see in action, but at the moment, just like this machine, they have some VMCs available from stock on special offer.